I cannot tell you how important it is to go back to basics.
We are sitting down today with Sarah Huntstead, who is a paediatric registered nurse and the founder of CPR Kids. Sarah, I'd love to know, what is this influenza everyone talks about?
So influenza, or the flu, is a highly contagious viral illness that affects the upper and lower airways. Now, a flu is different to a cold. You hear the word flu bantered around a lot, you really do. But it is something that really needs to be taken seriously, particularly for those who are at risk. So people who are at risk are pregnant women, kids under the age of 5, babies, those who have underlying medical conditions, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders, and the elderly as well. And they're people we need to protect.
So Sarah, can it be prevented? How can we help?
So the best way to prevent flu is to get vaccinated. And we need to do this yearly. Now, you might have had the vaccine last year, but you need to get it done this year as well, because the flu virus actually changes. And so that's why it's really important every year to get the updated flu vaccine.
And I've been guilty of thinking that if you got it late the year before, that it sometimes carries over. I guess that's why they do really say that it's a yearly thing.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you're unsure, go and have a chat with your vaccine provider or your GP and get their advice.
Always best to check. Sarah, anything else apart from the vaccine?
I know this sounds really, really obvious, but I cannot tell you how important it is to go back to basics. Simple hand washing. You'd be amazed at how important that is. And not just the hand washing, but making sure that you teach your kids to catch their coughs and sneezes. It's the simple stuff that really helps with that prevention.
And when you mention the vaccine, because I know that we've referenced a lot this flu season, when is flu season?
So for most parts of Australia, flu season is between June and September. And that's why the vaccine usually gets released around April. So that's the time for you to go and get vaccinated.
And I feel like I have in the past left it a bit late, and then everyone starts getting sick, and then you've got this cycle of sickness, and then you feel like it's too late. Is it ever too late to get it?
No, it's not too late. So what I encourage you to do is go and have a chat once again with your GP or your vaccine provider, and they will be able to give you the best advice there.